ever pondered upon how a few degrees of temperature rise could make a difference? Well, in the context of global warming, it's a difference that could alter the course of life as we know it. Delve back into the era of the pre-industrial period, between the mid-18th to the late 19th century. The Earth was a different place then, with an atmospheric cocktail composed of a balance between oxygen, nitrogen, and trace amounts of greenhouse gases. It was a delicate balance, a balance that fostered life. However, the dawn of industrialization, which started around the mid-18th century, marked the beginning of a significant shift. As industries burgeoned, so did the use of fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and natural gas became the lifeblood of these industries, powering machinery and giving birth to an era of unprecedented growth and prosperity. But this progress came at a cost. The burning of fossil fuels released vast amounts of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. This led to an increase in the Earth's average temperature, a phenomenon we now know as global warming. Fast forward to the 20th century. The rate of global warming accelerated, and the Earth's average temperature rose by nearly 1 degree Celsius. This might not sound like much, but even a slight increase in global temperature can have far-reaching consequences. This rise in temperature has been accompanied by shifts in weather patterns, leading to more frequent and extreme weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. It has caused the polar ice caps to melt at an alarming rate, resulting in a rise in sea levels and threatening coastal communities worldwide. But the impact of global warming extends beyond just the weather. It's affecting the very fabric of life on Earth. Plants, wildlife, and humans, we're all feeling the heat. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns are disrupting ecosystems, leading to shifts in species distributions and the timing of natural events, like flowering and migration. Presently, we're in the 21st century, and the situation is dire. The Earth's average temperature has risen by well over 1 degree Celsius since pre-industrial times, and it's still rising. The scientific consensus is clear. Human activities are primarily responsible for this unprecedented warming of our planet. However, all is not lost. We have the knowledge and the means to address this crisis. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is crucial. Transitioning to renewable sources of energy, improving energy efficiency, and adopting sustainable practices can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Scene script, but it's not just about reducing emissions. Adapting to the changes that are already underway is equally important. This includes developing strategies to manage and mitigate the impacts of global warming, such as building climate-resilient infrastructure and adopting sustainable agricultural practices. In conclusion, there's no denying that global warming poses one of the greatest challenges of our time, but it's a challenge that we can and must rise to. Every action counts, so make a pledge today to contribute to the fight against global warming, because the Earth is our home, and it's the only one we've got.